Here we go, December 23rd, and look at that. The sun is shining, the skies are blue. Keep away the snow, because I don't like you. Here we go, the Falcon. Jams are painted. Up on top here's painted. Dash is all painted. And now the fun begins. I'm going to start assembling. As you can see, I've already got the carpet and the underlay back in place. Going to be pulling the steering wheel, dropping the column, and trying to get the gauges back in, if my memory can remember how all this goes. Trunk jam's all painted. The car's getting very close to go for paint. I think it's going to get painted between Christmas and New Year's. Sean, what's he say here? 320 all body, because the jams are painted. So he's gotten anywhere you don't see the guide code, he's gotten 320. And then you run over it with 400 and 600. But the doors, the hood, the trunk are already ready to go in 600. So I'm thinking he's probably got a good day and a half, two days left here, and that's it. And I probably got a good, believe it or not, it'll be a good solid day. Put all this together, put the console in, and I've got a window regulator to do. Maybe a little more in a day, because I got to put the doors back on, got to put the hood on, got to put the trunk on. There's a bit to line up. But let's see if I can't remember and read my writing in all this mess of what I've done here and get all that line back up. Oh my God. I'm just going to have to turn on some music that's not Christmas music so I don't lose my shit and just be calm here. Calm. Okay, well here's the start. I got the gauges all back in place. Hooked the battery up, fuel gauge went up, oil light came on, temperature gauge kind of moved a teeny bit. Signal was working. It's only got one signal light, so it blinks no matter what signal's on. And then over here you got a high beam light, and the dash lights came on. So I think we're okay there. I've got the lighter in place. So next I'm going to work on the ashtray, glove box door. I got to get the column mounted up in there. There's a little thing here, it tells you what gear you're in. I got to do that. Yeah. Then I still got to put seat belts in. I think there's just a couple seat belts laying over there. They got to go in. The seats got to go in. Yeah, just keep plugging away. That wasn't too bad. Wasn't too bad getting that together. And like I say, everything seems to be working. So I'm happy over that. Gonna look nice when it's done. Nice little car. It's gonna be a nice clean little car. That's what it's gonna be. Nice clean little car you can go to a car show with, and you know, people will look at it and they'll be like, I remember having one of those. Okay guys, so we got the seat in, got the console in, got the ashtray in. Steering wheel is just sitting on there. We'll be taking it on and off, and the reason we take it on and off is when we go to paint the car, there's no glass in it, so it's easier to get inside the mask. The windows openings shut with the steering wheel off. We got all that done. Got our trunk lid on and all lined up. So now I'm going to give this a little vacuum in the back here. And actually no, I'm not going to vacuum it. The more I think about it, no, because Sean's not done sanding it, so there's no point. It's just going to get dusty. So I'm not going to go any further there. Glove box door was not on when it came in. I don't have everything here for it to put it on, and plus it needs a liner. I don't see the liner, so I'm not dealing with that either, but it is painted. There's a window roller. Yeah. So I'll see what else I can find in the shed to put together on this thing. But we'll go take a look and see what else is going on in the shop here today. Just let me pick up a few tools and we'll continue this video on December the 23rd. Getting close to Christmas. Bah, humbug. Okay, so we're back. We got the rad support back for the 76 here we're building. We had it all blasted. They wrapped it in plastic for me. Always good guys over at Fraser Valley Blasting. They knew it was raining, so they wrapped it up for me so it wouldn't get wet on the way home in the back of my truck. And what is Mike doing here today? Now I can't remember what he's up to. He's up to something, but I don't exactly know what's going on, but he's up to something. He's got the pitman arm on now. He's got the tie rods to the pitman arm all hooked up. Oh, he's doing all the e-brake stuff. All these e-brakes. All this stuff came in today. So he's getting all that lined up and finishing. He did the tranny lines for the cooler. Guy's doing everything in like dash 6 and 8 and whatever he's got going on here. All this AN stuff. So he's working away on that. And there you were the other day, remember? Yesterday we were right there. I can't believe it. Every time I walk in his door now, and I see this car looking like that. I'm like, wow, that's a nice looking 55 two-door post. And then I walk around the other side and I'm like, oh. But what a difference. I'm so happy with that. But yeah, we got that. Show you a couple things we got also going. I don't know if you guys saw this. I got myself a new little, that. They'd pull down 4 ice cream cones at a time when they were having ice cream. Kind of cool. Kind of different. I like it. And go see what Sean's up to. See what Sean's up to. Also got another Pennzoil metal can, using it as a garbage can. So now I got 2 on either side. They're kind of, they're all dirty and beat up, but that's all right because they're just outside in the weather. That's how they should be. Got some Hoosier racing slicks here. Put those up there for a little display. Kind of cool looking. So the Falcon, you can see I've turned all the lights out over there now. Put her away for the night. She's happy with that. And Sean's in here working away on the 07 and on a hood. So the 07 is climbed up all the doors now. We got her all prepped. All that's really left is the front now. Get the front prepped, throw some primer on it, on the spare parts there, and then block out the primer, and then for paint, this is going to be a big truck to paint. 8-foot box, 4-door, full size, big, big, big. That's the 6.
Hello everybody! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! There you go. That's the 68 Chev hood. And we got some Dodge doors Sean painted up here. Green. Looking good. We're rolling.
We are.
Yeah. No rest for the wicked. So the Dodge doors you saw there, that's for that old Dodge over there. Right over there. Guy wanted to put new doors on it, so we got all the inside of the doors painted. So now we're gonna pull that truck in the shop here, probably on Boxing Day, and gut all the stuff out of them doors and put them in these doors and put the new doors on that truck. That's right, I said Boxing Day, we're working. And then there's this truck I've been working on, you all remember. So I fitted the door on that we're gonna be using. I wanted to fit, when I'm using different parts, I like to fit them first. And then I just started to I quickly just put a tack in there to hold that rocker in place. So I'm probably gonna be back on this tomorrow on Christmas Eve. That's right, we're working tomorrow, Christmas Eve, but we're only working till 1, but we are working. So I'll probably do that. And then that's the newest project there that came in. And 79 Ford, and we won't discuss that right now. We'll just we'll save that for later. Well, you wait till you see what's going on there. Oh my God, yeah, it's well, I don't know. I'm speechless. When you guys see it, you'll understand why I'm speechless when I open up the doors. It's I can't even explain it to you. Anyway, and that's the cab. That's the 4x4 cab. The 76 4x4 is going on that frame with the Buick engine, and got one of these new Ace fuel injection things on there. I don't know exactly. Something new, something different. Find out. Here it is. Deuces Wild, it says here. Quick Draw, Deuces Wild. The names they come up with, eh? But anyway, so I guess with that being said, guys and girls and young and old and drunk and sober and whatever else you are, I'll give you a big hey, Merry Christmas to y'all. Thanks to all my suppliers out there. Thanks to all my customers. Thanks to my staff. Thanks to you guys for watching. Just thank you all. Hopefully you're going to be here with me here in the new year. But we have got, yeah, somebody made a mistake. They said to me, Rick, do you know that, and I said it in my last video, they said, did you know that this is the last Sunday fun day you'll have in the year? And I said, yeah, it is. But now I'm looking at, it's not the last Sunday fun day. I've got the 29th of December. I don't know what they were thinking. Maybe they thought I was going to be taking time off and hanging out with friends and family. Yeah. No, I'll be in the shop. So there will be a Sunday fun day coming up, but you won't see me in the shop anymore this week. That's it. Merry Christmas. I won't say Happy New Year like Sean did, but Merry Christmas. Enjoy it with your family. If you're going to drink, remember, take an Uber, get a Rudolph, get whatever the hell you can to get yourself home. Don't bother driving. Yeah, it's just not worth it. Not nowadays anyway. And that's about all I got to say. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and to all, a good night.